Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started modeling this stall design over here. That's exhibition stall. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here, I'll be modeling some chambers over here. You can slightly just shuffle it a bit out. I'll slightly reduce it and let's drag it in this way. So we'll complete the modeling part today over here. So I'll create the center table. So let's take a cylinder. So I'll go over here, I'll take a cylinder slightly, I'll reduce its height. Now, again I'll take a line. Let's take a line. I'll off this auto grid and drag it in this way. I'll go into the rendering and enable in viewport. So let's activate this enable in viewport over here, and I can slightly increase its thickness. Let's go to the top view over here, slightly push it a bit out, go into hierarchy, affect pivot only, slightly rotate it, drag it in this way, so we can shuffle it if required. So again I'll go over here, I'll just select this, let's give a bit of chamfer. So I'll slightly add a chamfer over here. Let's click OK. Let's go over here. Let's take a line for the chairs. So I'll just off this enabling viewport. I'll drag this in this way and push it in this way. Select the vertices and let's give a bit of fillet to it. So I'll add a bit of fillet. Slight fillet will add over here as well. Push it a bit inside. So again I'll go over here, enable in viewport and make it as rectangular, slightly scale it, push this up in this way. So I can go into this, I'll add a bit of refine. Let's give smooth in this way. Alright. So if you want, you can slightly reduce its width a bit if needed. convert to editable poly. So I'll just convert to editable poly over here, and I'll take a line and I'll connect it in this way. So let's make it as radial thickness, slightly drag it in this way. So I can just slightly push it in this way. Let's mirror it, copy it in y-axis, drag it in this way. Again I'll mirror it, copy it in x-axis, slightly, I'll shuffle it in this way. So again I'll go over here, select the vertices, I can slightly push it inside in this way. So select this, let's increase its thickness. Alright, so let's select this and I'll go into the edges. Let's select the edges over here. Let's give a bit of chamfer to it. Click OK. So once it is done, we can even use, I'll go into this and let's give FFD box modifier. So let's add FFD box modifier over here. I'll go into this and slightly I can add it. Drag it. Okay, we cannot drag this out. Reason is we don't have segments at the center. So I can just go over here and let's add some segments at the center. Let's give FFD box now. Select this. Drag it. So convert to poly, and if you want I can just add a turbo smooth over here. So convert to poly. I'll add one loop over here. Now select this, let's group it over here. So if you want to tilt it, I can slightly tilt this chair a bit if required. Again select this, we can just group this. So again I'll go over here, effect pivot only. I'll set the center pivot to the center of the table. Now I'll off it. Let's press E over here. Press shift and rotate it. Alright. This looks perfect. So I'll just select it. I'll just save the file once. Over here. You can add some lights here as well. So I'll just make a copy of it. Duplicate it. Duplicate it. So we can make multiple copies over here. So select this. So I'll just select this here. And let's make a copy over here once again and push it over here. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.